Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're making some strongback or peanut punch, a very nutritious drink. So to start off this recipe, we have here our ingredients that we're going to be using to make this nutritious peanut punch recipe. So here we have Irish mash. We also have peanut, the main ingredient. We also have 2 ripe bananas, vanilla, Guinness, oats, and the supligen. So you can use the oats of your choice, as well as if you have Ensure, you can use Ensure as a substitute for the supligen. Okay, now to start the recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of oats. And this oats that we're using is Fosca oats. If you have Quaker oats, you can go ahead and use Quaker oats or the oats of your choice. We're also going to use 1 cup of raw peanut or shelled peanut. Okay, so for the Guinness, the Irish mash, and the supligen, you want to ensure that these ingredients are at room temperature. Next, 1 can of supligen, and if you have Ensure, you can use it as a substitute, right? We're also going to now blend the peanut along with the supligen together. If you are not a fan of dairy product, you can also go ahead and use soya product. Right, so we're just going to continue to blend the peanut and the supligen together. Afterwards, we're going to add our Irish mash as well as our Guinness. So you're going to pour them in, and you want to ensure that they're at room temperature, as we said before. If you cannot tolerate the alcoholic beverage, you can always go ahead and use less, or you can also leave it out if you would like. You can also go ahead and use Dragon if you don't have the Guinness. So here we use 1 bottle of Guinness. Yes guys, not a mermaid, but yes. And we're just going to continue to blend. So as you add the ingredient, we're just going to blend to ensure that everything is fully blended and we get that right consistency. Okay, so what we're going to be adding next is the Irish mash. Now the Irish mash comes in all different flavors. You have it with vanilla, you have it with oats, you have it just as is, the original Irish mash, right? Or if you have the Irish mash, the natural Irish mash, you can go ahead and use it. You can purchase these items from your local grocery store. And we're also going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla to add flavor to the peanut punch. Some persons will add cinnamon powder, but it is based on your preference. Whatever you'd like to add to your punch, you can go ahead and add that. Today we're not using a cinnamon powder. We also added 2 bananas, 1 teaspoon of honey, as well as a teaspoon of molasses as well. But these ingredients are optional. You don't have to add the honey and the molasses, but today we're adding honey and molasses to our peanut punch recipe. You know, molasses give you energy, right? And this is a nutritious drink, right? This is a booster. It can hold you for half a day or the entire day. So when you drink this punch, it gives you that strength and it gives you a lot of energy with the molasses added to this nutritious peanut punch recipe. We're also going to add here some vanilla lasco. You can mix the lasco in the liquid form if you'd like, or you can just add it just as is. And you can also substitute it for the milk of your choice. You can use almond milk if you'd please, or so forth. And then we're just going to allow everything to be well blended so we can get that right consistency, everything fully blended, right? And then we went ahead and add the next banana, but in total we use 2 bananas, right? The bananas had as a thickening aid as well, so it will allow the peanut punch to be more thicker and creamier. And you know, bananas had that potassium. Bananas have potassium, and then our peanuts and oats, so this is a very nutritious drink, right? You can just drink this for breakfast. If you're on the go, you can just make yourself a quick and easy peanut punch recipe, ready on the go, ready to go. This can kickstart your day in the early mornings. Alright, so next in line, we're going to add the big bad wray and nephew white overproof rum. So see the whites there, guys. So we're going to add a cork full. Guys, see the rum in? Turn the bottle down in the blender. But anyway, guys, we just added 1 cork full of the wray and nephew white overproof rum. But if you're going to make this for breakfast, we're just going to take out the alcoholic beverages and just go non-alcoholic. So you just remove the Guinness as well as the rum, right? And this is how it is looking. Very thick and creamy and nutritious peanut punch recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Look at that, guys. Very mouth watering. Only thing you need now is 2 ice and you're good. A complete breakfast meal. Look at that, guys. That thick and creamy peanut punch recipe.